Sneaky steps and shadowy ways. Welcome to the lair where the code is crafty and the hacks are always ethical. Let's dive into the shadows. Hey guys, I'm back today. I'm gonna be doing certified on Hack the Box. It's a Windows medium machine and I'm gonna be running through guided mode just to save time because I allocate 2 hours for the stream. Let's jump into it. So we have our IP address here. I'll go ahead and copy that and add it to my host file by running sudo nano and against Etsy hosts. Let's call this certified.htb. Save that. Ping it real quick to make sure that we've got connectivity. And we do. Okay. So, let me scroll down here. Okay, so it says machine information. As is common in Windows pen tests, you will start the certified box with credentials for the following account. Username judith.mater, password judith09. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with reconnaissance. So I'm gonna run a nmap scan. I'm gonna run this against all 65,535 ports by specifying -b-, dash capital PN for no ping, dash capital T5 for the fastest scan possible, dash VV for double verbosity. I only want to specify open ports, and then I'm going to run this against our target of certified.htb. Okay, go ahead and let that run. Our first task here says, which of the following ports are not listening on certified? 53, 80, 88, 443. And the music down just a smidge. Alrighty. So it looks like we do have quite a few open ports here. Alright, here we go. So, which of the following ports are not listening on certified? 53. Okay, so we do have 53. We don't have 80. It's probably going to be 80. 88. We've got Kerberos. 443. Is 443 listening? Is it going to be more than one? Okay, yeah, so 80. 443. This is gonna most likely be a domain controller because we've got Kerberos running. We got DNS running on port 53. Which of the following ports are not listening on certified? It's 80 and 443. Why can I not do that? Yeah, I don't see 443. I mean, I'm only looking for open ports though, so it could be oh, what's the state called if it's not closed but it's not open? Filtered, yeah. It could be filtered. I'll just try 80. Maybe, okay, so that worked. Maybe it's just one of them. What did the hint say? Start enumerating the host with nmap. Make sure to use -s capital V to get the service version. Okay. Okay, so now that we know what ports are open, see if I can do this. I don't think I have Sublime Text. I don't really have a great text editor. Can I just install that? Sublime Text. Sublime Text 1? Install for Linux. Okay. To install with apt, install the GPG key. And then select the channel to use. I'll use the stable one. Okay. Update the repository. Sudo update. Sudo apt install sublime text. All right. Sub L, just call this open ports.txt. There we go. Okay. Oops. I don't have that in my clipboard anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna take all of these open ports then. And then, oh, how do I do multiple cursors? Oh, okay. No? Control Shift L. Control Shift L. Control Shift L. Ah, there we go. Ah, come on. I'll just start with these here. Select the text, then press Ctrl Shift L to split the selection into lines, creating a cursor on each line. Shift L. There we go. Okay. No. No. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Okay, and then I'll delete all this. I just need the ports. Oh crap. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Oh crap. There we go. Okay. Do these. And then these. Really need to figure out a better way to automate this. I tell myself that every stream. I really need to follow through with that at some point. The only problem now is that these are all in a line. Well, this won't be too hard. I just do this. What happened there? Oh, I see. Almost done. Okay, so we have all of our open ports now. Let's just copy these. And then we'll do sudo nmap check p and specify all those ports. And then do -s capital VC for a version scan and running the default scripts. The capital PN again, we'll do capital T5, we'll do -VV for the verbosity again. And then we will specify our target of certify.htb, and then we'll output this to a file in the normal nmap output format, and we'll just call this certified.nmap. Oh, whoops, I have a typo in here, that's the problem. There we go. Okay, running our scan against all those ports, against the target. Okay, so our second task says, what is the fully qualified domain name, FQDN, of the domain controller in certified? We should be able to find that out momentarily. I don't think we know that from this port scan, no. We should get that information with the type of nmap scan that we're running here, though. Okay, here we go. Going to the top of our output. C. Okay. Right here. So here's the common name, dcl1.certified.htb. Okay, so that should be the fully qualified domain name. We'll also need to add that to our host file, most likely. So this is definitely a domain controller. Let's see. I have a bunch of common services running that you would see normally on a domain controller. This right here is, oh, what's it called? It's remote PowerShell. What's it called? Anyway, it's this port and associated service are used for remote PowerShell. Message signing is enabled and required for SMB2 security mode. That is very normal for a domain controller. Okay, so we've got all the information now. Let me go ahead and add DC, I think I still have this in the clipboard, yeah. dcl1.certified.htb to my host file. Can have DNS resolution for that. Okay. What permission does the Judith.mater user have over the management group as shown by Bloodhound? Okay, so we're gonna run Bloodhound as the Judith.mater user. Okay. Python Bloodhound, or I guess it's Bloodhound Python. U user is Judith.mater. Password is Judith09. Let's see. D for domain, I think. dcl1.certified.htb. Name server 10.10.11.41. We'll just do a collection of all. Is that all I need? Let's try that. I think that's all I need. No, maybe not. Okay. What? Is that? Let me look at my notes here. I messed this up. No, that should be right. I don't think it matters what order the arguments are in either. Let me see. C1 Is DNS resolution king? Yes. Okay, so that's not the problem. I wonder what the problem is with this. Let's try this again. Is it because it's latest? I wonder if I need to set up the more modern version of Bloodhound. Bloodhound Community Edition. Do not have Docker desktop installed. Oh, we're gonna have an ad break here pretty soon. In about 20 seconds. Alright, let's take a quick break here. we done with ads? I didn't see the notification. I'm assuming we're done with ads. Alright, I'm just gonna roll with it. Oh, wait a second. Do I need Docker CE? Maybe not. Let's see. Do I have Docker compose? I think Docker CE has Docker compose. Let's try this. Okay. Sudo apt create. Sudo apt install -y docker -ce docker -c-cli and container b.io. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time trying to install Bloodhound. Maybe I can just... let's see. I can just use the pwn box. Okay, good. So, whoops. Oops, I didn't mean to open that new one. I should have this down here. Okay, maximize this. This is legacy. I might still be able to use this though. Do I have... I have Neo4j. Aha, okay. Yeah, it looks like I have everything I need here, so this should be fine. Okay. So I'm gonna do bloodhound dash python dash u. Grab her credentials. Okay. Judas.mater with this password. Jeez, why is that not pasted? Oh, right, because there's a clipboard. D for domain dc01 dot certified dot HTB and the name server. Collection method all. All right. says sudo. Okay then. Here. Sudo, let's see what hosts. Machines. PC1 dot certify HTB. Save this, yes. Yes. Okay, C1 dot certify HTB. Okay, so that's working. Let's try this again. What? Could not find a domain controller. Consider specifying a domain and or DNS server. Error Kerberos sessioner KDC error wrong realm reserved for future use. Could not find a global catalog server. Assuming the primary DC has this role. Dash GC 10.10.11.41. Oh geez. Maybe I don't need this. Oops. Let's try that. No? Specified global catalog server. Looks like an IP. Oh, this has to be a host name. Okay. DC01.certified.htb. Also, this is a host name. This is not a domain, so that's probably part of the problem. Let's try that. Okay, let's do this. Dash name server 10.10.11.41. Let's try that. There we go. Okay. Wait, what? No. Oh wait, no, this is still working, yeah. Okay. Okay, so we connected to the LDAP server. We found one domain in the forest, found one computer. Found 10 users, 53 groups, 2 group policy objects, 1 organizational unit, 19 containers, 0 trust, starting computer enumeration with 10 workers, creating the computer, DC01.certified.htb. Okay, so this is working now. Okay. So we should have our JSON files now. Yes, okay. Now run sudo neo4j console start. Or just console, not console start. Okay, starting neo4j. And it has been started. And then I need to open up a new tab. I would have thought that would be Control-Shift-T, but maybe not. Now I need to run bloodhound -- no sandbox. Okay, we're starting bloodhound. What? Starting bloodhound, authorization required, but no authorization protocol specified. Okay, segmentation. Let me try this without no sandbox. I don't think you really need that. Come on. What? What? The Futex facility returned an unexpected error code aborted? What is going on? Maybe I need to go here first. Why can I not run Bloodhound though? Can I run it now? Never seen Bloodhound just not run before. Oh, there we go. Apparently I couldn't run it as sudo. That's interesting. Okay, so we got Bloodhound now. I'm gonna put this in dark mode right away. Set this to always display and always display. Okay, then we'll go ahead and upload data. And we upload all of this. Whoops. Okay, we need all these JSON files. Open. Okay then. Then we can expand this. I'll go ahead and refresh the database stats. Okay. Now for the question. What permission does the Judas.Mater user have over the management group as shown by Bloodhound? Okay. So search for a node. I'm gonna search for Judas.Mater. Okay. Do an analysis. Let's see. Oh wait. Node info. Sibling objects in the same OU. Reachable high value targets. Effective inbound GPOs. Let's do reachable high value targets. Let's see. What permission does the Judas.Mater user have over the management group as shown in Bloodhound? That would be right owner. believe. Yes. Members of the management group have generic right over which user? Okay, management users have generic right over management underscore service. SVC. What is the NTLM hash of the management underscore SVC user? Okay, so how can we abuse generic right? I'm guessing is what we want to know. So if we click on this, maybe. Come on. It's not working. Stop zooming in. Is this because... see if that changes anything. It should be opening. Normally if you click on this permission, it will open up a little dialog box that shows you how to abuse this. Not sure why that's not working though. Hey, welcome in, Oreo Bite. Whoops, indeed. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I could look this up. I don't have to necessarily use Bloodhound for this. Probably with like hack tricks. Let's see. Generic all is the permission, right? Or no, generic right, not generic all. Generic right. Let's look at red team notes. Let's see. It says generic all. There's generic right. It's generic all on user, or generic right on user. No, it's not that. That's on computer. It's generic right on user. Right owner and group. Ah, here we go. Generic right on user. Yes, generic right on the user management underscore service. Let's see. Oh, come on. Let's see. Generic right on user. There we go. Okay. So you already know this part. Right property on an object type. Wait, this is right property the same as generic right? I'm guessing it is. Let's see. Right property on an object type, which in this particular case is script-path. Allows the attacker to overwrite the logon script path of the delegate user, which means that the next time when the user delegate logs on, their system will execute our malicious script. Set-AD object-sam account name, delegate property name, script path, property value. Okay, and then we host our own malicious PowerShell script. Though shows the user's logon script field got updated in Active Directory. Okay. So I think the SAM account name in this case would be management_service. And the property name. What would the property name be? Whoops. Okay, so Judith Mater has right owner over the group management, and then the group management has generic right over management_service. Okay, so the goal of this is to get the NTLM hash of the management_service user. What does the hint say? Abuse right owner. Oh, okay. Abuse right owner to add Judas.Mater to the management group. Wait, what? I thought she was already part of the management group. Then abuse the generic right and get access to the management_service account. Bloodhound GUI will show exploitation steps for these permissions, except that's not working. Of course. I love that feature in Bloodhound, but it's not working for some reason. I'm pretty sure you just, or do you have to right click on it? Oh wait, maybe you right click on it. Oh, okay, that's right. I thought you just clicked on it and it opened this up, but you have to right click on it and then you can see the abuses. Okay. Shadow credentials. I'm confused about the hint. It says abuse right owner to add Judas.Mater to the management group, but I thought she was already part of the management group. Who are the members of management? Okay. Oh, okay, I see. So management_service is a member of management. Judith, oh, what's her name? Judith.Mater is not part of the management group. Okay. How do I get back to her? Oh, there we go. Okay. So what groups is she a member of? Okay, so she's a member of domain users. She's also a member of... Okay, so that's neural. Okay. So she's not currently she's not currently a member of management. Got it. Okay, reachable high value targets, go back to that. But since she has since she has right owner over management, we can abuse that to make her a member of management. Okay. So right owner, right click, help. Let's see. So the user Judith.Mater@certified.htb has the ability to modify the owner of the group management certified.htb. Object owners retain the ability to modify object security descriptors regardless of permissions on the object's discretionary access control. Okay, so here's the Windows abuse. I would really prefer the Linux abuse though, because it's usually a lot less convoluted. Maybe not though. This looks like, yeah, that has way more steps to it. I'd rather have, okay. To change the ownership of the object, you may use Impacket's owner edit example script. Grant ownership, reference for the exact link. So Impacket's owner edit, Impacket's DACL edit. Can add members to the group after that. You pass the hash. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So let me pull up my parrot terminal. Can't move this around, can I now? Can I snap this? Oh well. Okay. So let me open up a new tab. Okay, so let's see, Impacket dash owner edit dash H. See if that even works. Okay, probably have to do owner edit.py. There's gotta be Impacket on here, right? Okay, so that works. Okay. Let's see. So, owner edit.py and then dash action right. Owner. Why can't they give me an actual example of how to use this? Can I just do attacker for the owner? Dash target victim and then domain slash user colon password. Okay, I guess I'll try this attacker. Is it a Z? No, it's not with a Z. Okay, let me search generic right. Maybe it's in here. Come on, jeez. No. Okay, let's just try this, I guess. Okay, target is going to be dc1.certified.htb. That probably needs to go in single quotes, maybe. And then domain certified.htb slash user is Judith.leader. And then password is Judith09, I think. Or is it 09 Judith? I think it's Judith09. Yeah, Judith09. Okay. Man. Let's try that and see what happens, I guess. Oh, whoops, crap. I did not end my... single quote. What? Is it because all of this stuff has to be in single quotes? You probably have the owner and the target wrong. Would this be management? change the ownership of the object, you may use ImpactIt's owner edit example. Of course. Oh, of course. The syntax for this has changed, it seems. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Owner edit.py. Is action still? Yeah, action is still needed. Okay, so the action is right. And then new owner is going to be Judith.meter. Okay, and then I need a target. And maybe DCL1 dot, and this probably has to be all of this probably has to be in quotes for some reason. Stop enter. Oops. Dash target. certified.htb, and then domain certified.htb, Judith.meter, colon, Judith 09, and close single quote. See if that works. Invalid server address. Okay, and then we'll add also -dc-ip 10.10.11. Oh, what is it? 41. 10.10.11. 41. 11. Okay, let's give that a shot. Seems like that might be working. Target principal not found in LDAP. DCL1.certified.htb. Huh. Will it also help to put this in single quotes? Some of the ImpactIt tools are really finicky, and you have to have the correct. You have to have a very specific syntax. See if that works. Target principal not found in LDAP. Okay, let me just try DCL1 then, instead of using the fully qualified domain name. Unless target is not unless target is something else and it's not supposed to be like a host name or IP address. Let's see. Target principal not found in LDAP DCL1. Maybe the target is actually the group. That would make sense. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, I believe that worked. Okay, so the next thing is modifying the rights. To abuse ownership of a group object, you may grant yourself the add member privilege. In packets, DACL edit can be used for that purpose. Do we need to do that? Because didn't we just become the new owner of the management group? So why do we need to... Do we have to change the discretionary access control list too? Okay, what does it say? Python editor for a principal's discretionary access control list. So do we also need to use DACL edit.py then? DACL edit.py. What's the difference between these two tools? Python editor for a principal's DACL. Says this does the same thing, doesn't it? Seems like it does. Python editor for a principal's DACL. Python editor for a principal's DACL. Okay, I don't think we need to use both of these tools. Okay. So maybe I can just skip that. Adding to the group. You can now add members to the group. Use Samba's net tool to add the user to the target group. The credentials can be supplied in clear text or prompted interactively if omitted from the command line. Okay. Net, RPC, group, add mem, target group, target user, there's capital U, domain, / controlled user, % password, - capital S, domain controller. Net, RPC, group, group, admin, management, think we're in an ad break. So we'll take a quick break. Are we back? I think we're back. Okay, continuing. Okay, so net RPC group admin management Judas.mater capital U domain certified.htb controlled user Judith.mater percent Judith09 capital S main controller DCL1. See if that works. Does not. Do I even have? Yeah, the net. I do have net. Okay. And do I have net RPC? I should have net RPC. What invalid command? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Net RPC. Okay. So. How would that work? Oh, right. I wonder why that happens. Okay, net RPC group add. See if I'm missing anything here. Miscellaneous options, targets. Add group members. An RPC group, add mem. Is this case sensitive? I don't think so. Group member. Yeah, it should be right then. Let's do this. Ah, geez. Net RPC group add. Or no. Group add mem. Management. And then target user. Meter. Could not connect to server 127.0.1 connection. Okay, let's see. Valid targets, dash server equals, or just dash capital S. Let's do dash capital I. Dash capital I. Put that in single quotes. Let's try that. Password, no, I don't do that. Dash capital U. Certified. HTB. Slash. Whoops. Stop. Please. Hopefully that works. Okay. Judith 09. Will that work? Could not add Judith.meter to manager. NT status access denied. Is that because I skipped a step? Do I have to do this too? Alright, let's try that then. Maybe I have to do owner edit.py and DACL edit.py. Oh wait, so owner edit.py changes the ownership of the object, and then DACL edit.py abuses the ownership of a group object. Yeah, so I probably do have to do this one too then. DACL edit.py. At least I have my next command set up now. Dash action, right, and then dash rights, right members, dash principal, it's gonna be Judith dot leader. Okay, and then dash target Distinguished name. Let's just, whoops. Management. Hopefully is all I need there. And then certified.htb. And Judith.meter. Whoops. Probably needs to be in single quotes. Judith.meter. And then password in single quotes. Judith09. Okay, let's give that a shot. Oh wait, we have to have a server address too. What did I do for that with owner edit? Forget. Oh, I did -dc-ip. Okay. Copy. Okay, let's give that a shot. Hopefully that works. Target principal not found in LDAP management. It's probably a little bit more complicated than that. Management at certified.htb. That's probably what it is. Because it's the distinguished name. Management at certified.htb. Let's try that. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Target principal not found in LDAP. Does it need, like, character escaping? Use of the @ sign or something? Stop, stop, stop. Oh, jeez. Management. Maybe it needs, like... Target principal not found in LDAP. Let's see. If I click on this, it'll probably tell me that. Come on. What is the distinguished name? Oh, it's this thing right here. Okay. Can I copy this? Let's see. Okay, let's try this. Hopefully this works now. Come on, come on. Aha! There we go. So that's worked. DACL backed up to that .back file. DACL modified successfully. Okay, so I think we should be able to do the net RPC command now. Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Could not add Judith.meter to management. NT status access denied. Come on. Alright, owner, Linux abuse. Okay, so I did this. I did this. I should be able to add them to the management group now. Maybe I just fudged the password this time. What? Why? Crap. Do I also need dash capital S DC01? Is that the issue? Come on. Hey, welcome in, Bishoy Bassam. Let's see. Oh man, it's almost 2 hours. Okay, so I did this. You did this. Why can I not add Judith Mater as a member to management? Net RPC group admin group member. Add group members. Why does that not work? Oh, okay, that does need that space there. Judas.mater dash capital I 10 10 11 41 dash U. I'm pretty sure I'm entering the password in right, aren't I? Yeah, Judas09. Huh. Maybe that's not working. Okay, net RPC group. Add mem. Target group is management. And then the target user is Judith.mater. Oh, wait. That's right. This has to contain a percent. This is not supposed to be... Oh, wait, no, that's only with when you're setting the password. When I'm not setting the password, I'm entering it in interactively. certified HTB /Judith Mater. Judith 09 is the password. Could not add Judith.Mater to management. NT status access denied. I wonder what's going on. I should be able to do this now because I've done this. I changed the ownership of the object and then I've modified the rights. And now I'm just trying to add Judith Mater to the management group. Net RPC group, add mem. Management, Judith.Mater. Specifying the IP address of the target. And then I'm using the identity certified.htb / Judith.Mater. And then I'm specifying the domain controller, which is DCL1. I don't think I even really need this though, if I have the IP address. I just keep getting NT status denied. Or NT status access denied. Could not add Judith.Mater to management. NT status access denied. Hey, welcome in, Truther33301. Actually have user and not root done for this machine. I haven't even gotten the user flag yet. I'm having an issue doing the Linux abuse on the right owner permissions. I should be to the point where I can add Judith Mater to the management group, but I keep getting NT status access denied for some reason. So if you see that I'm doing something wrong, feel free to let me know. Cause I'm kind of stumped here. Suppose I could try the Windows abuse. There are so many more steps for Windows abuse. I wonder if there's like a cleanup script, and so I have to run all of these really quickly. That could be possible. Does the box have bloody AD? I think most of the pros do a add to group with bloody AD. How do you invoke that? Is it just bloody AD? Okay, bloody AD. Supports authentication using clear text passwords, pass the hash, pass the ticket or certificates, and binds to LDAP services of a domain controller to perform Active Directory privilege escalation. Exchanges sensitive information without LDAPs is supported. Designed to be used transparently with a SOX5 proxy. Can perform specific LDAP calls to a domain controller in order to perform AD priv-esc. Okay. I doubt that's installed on the pwn box for, whoops, for hack the box. Command not found. Yeah, I didn't think that would be installed. Oh man. Getting tired. tired. I think I might have to pick this back up later. Because there's still a lot more to do here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream here. Unfortunately, because I need to go to bed and there's just a lot more to do here, so I think I'll pick this back up probably on Monday. Yeah. Thanks everybody for man, I never. Oh, the guided mode. Yeah, I'm using guided mode just to get through it quicker. Man, I never do the guided mode. Okay. Yeah, I'm still learning, so I just do guided mode. I've had a decent amount of experience with you know, whatever you want to say, ethical hacking, I guess, with Linux and Windows, but still have a lot to learn, so yeah, I just do the guided mode because
Truther underscore 33,301 followed your channel.
Thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Yeah, I just do guided mode because I usually allocate 2 hours for the stream because I'm working full time again, and so I don't have. I used to stream for like 5 hours twice a week, but I can't really do that anymore, and just to speed things along, and my brain is so tired after work that I just need a little bit of a break, so I use guided mode just for a little bit of extra help and to get through the box easier.
Life!
Besho0000 followed your channel.
Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Alright, well I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. I'll pick this back up probably Monday, I'm thinking. Is the next time I'll be streaming. Probably sometime around 8 p.m. Central US. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream, and learned something. I definitely learned something. I learned something new every time. Because I'm still, like I said, I'm still learning. And there's a lot to learn with cybersecurity and ethical hacking, so. But anyway, hopefully I'll see you next time. Take care. Have a good one.